Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to continue your unit 1 and worksheet 2. And worksheet 2 is related to the place value. Question number 1 is write the value of each digit. Okay, before starting the question, what we have to do, we have to write first like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and then 100,000. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to identify the number and then write its place value. Like if 5 is under 1, so it means ones mean 1 here. You have to like just like multiply 5 ones are 5, so the value will remain 5. Okay, if your number is 8 and it is under 10, so it means you have to multiply with 10. 8 multiplied by 10, it will become 80. Okay, like 3 is under 100. So what you have to do, you have to multiply with 100 and then like 300. Okay, 1 is under 1000, so it will become what? 1000. Okay, 6 is under 10,000. 10,000, it will become 60. Okay, 1000. And 2 is under 100,000, so 2 it will become 200 and then 1000, and for 1000 we have to put 3 zeros. Okay, so this is the solution of part A. Now part B. Again we have to write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, okay, 100,000 and then million. So what we have to do, we have to put the values accordingly. 3 ones mean 3 only. 2 tens mean 2 tens, 20. Okay, 0, 100 mean when 0 is multiplied with any number, it will become 0. So it will become what? Remain 0. Then 4,000, 4,000. Whatever you are speaking, you have to write. Okay, 1 is under 10,000, so it will become what? 10,000. Okay, 6 is under 100,000, so 6 will become what? 600 and then 1000. And 7 million, so you have to write 7 here and then 60 will come here. Understand? Now move on to next question. In question number 2, what we have to do, we have to write the place value of only the underlined digits. Okay, let's start part A. Part A, like the number is given, what we have to do, we have to ones, tens, 100. Okay, so till here we will stop because our underlined word is here. 300, so it will become what? 300. Okay, and then part B, so ones, tens, 100, 1000. So it means now 3 is at 1000 place. So it will become what? 3000. Okay. Okay, now see. In C the number is given. Again we will write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, 100,000 and then million. So it will become 8 million. So it will become 8 and then 60 will come here. Okay. Now D part. In D part the number underlined is 8. Let's start ones, tens. So we have to stop here. 80. 8 tens mean 80. Okay. This is how we have to place the value of the underlined digits. Okay, question number 3 is ring the numbers with part A is 7 in the 100,000 place. So what we have to do, we have to check these 3 numbers and check where the 7 is at 100,000 place. Okay, and that is our answer. We just have to find out that number. So 7 here, 7 is at what place? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. So at this is not the answer because 7 is at million place, not 100,000 place. Okay, now here we have to check ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and 100,000. So here is 7 is under 100,000. So we have to ring this number because 7 is at 100,000. Now check this number. Okay, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and 100,000. Again we have to circle this number because in both the numbers 7 is at 100,000 place. Okay, now part B. 5 in the ones place. Now we have to check the numbers that carries 5 at ones place. So in this one, 1. So here is ones place. We will circle this one. Here ones place 3. No. Here one again 5. So we will circle this number. Now we will move on to question number 4. Okay, question number 4 is fill in the missing numbers. A is 100,000, then blank, then 6,000 plus 40. Okay, now we have to identify the number and then find out which number is missing. Okay, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. So the number is 100,000. First number is 100,000 and then this is 10,000. 10,000. So what we will write here? 10,000. Okay, then 6,000 is given. 100 place 0, nothing. 4, 40 and then ones, nothing. Okay, part B is again you have given 500,000, 20,000, 2,000, 300 and the number is missing at the tens place and then ones place number is 1. So what you have to do? You have to find out the tens place number. So here ones and tens. Tens is 20, so it will become what? 20. So we have to write 20 here. Okay. Okay, part C is now again the number is given and number is like 1,607,986. So which number is missing? Like ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. Million is given. 100,000 is missing. What is the 100,000? 600,000. So we will write here 600,000. Now move on to part D. Part D, 100,000, 20,000, 4,600 and 3 is given. Okay, the first number is missing. So we will check the number and the number here is 8,124,124,603. 603. These all are given. What is missing? 8 million. So what we have to do? We have to write 8 million here and we know 8 million will carry 6 zeros. Okay. Now come to the last part of this question. 2 million is given, 800,000 is given, then the blank and then 6,759. So what is missing? We will check ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and then 100,000 and million. So the number missing is at 10,000 place and 10,000 place the number is 6. So it will become 60,000. 60,000. Okay. So now move on to question number 5. Okay, let's start question number 5. Fill in the missing numbers. Okay, the numbers are given 50,000, 3,870 and then 2. So we have to join all these numbers and find the final number. Okay, let's start this part. We can write even like this: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and then 100,000 and then million. Okay, here under ones we have what? 2. We will write 2 here. Tens, 70, 7 will write here. 800, 8 will come under 100. 3,000, 3 will come under 1,000. Then 50, 10,000, 5 will come here. and then there is nothing left. So the number will become 53872. We can write it 53,872. Okay, now move on to part B. In part B, again what we have to do, we have to write the numbers at ones place. Ones, tens, hundred, okay, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and then million. So ones place we have 9, we will write 9 here. Tens place we have 10, we will write 1 here. 700, 7 will come under 100. Then 60,000, 60,000. So 1000 we don't have anything. 60 mean 10,000. So we will write 6 here. Okay, and then 400,000. 100,000 will carry 4. And million place we have no number. So the number will become what? 460,000. Okay, and then 719. 719. Okay, now come to part C. Part C is, we have given the numbers. We will start our question like ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and then million. So again under one we have what? 19. 19 they wrote jointly. 19 stands for what? We will write like this: tens at 9 at ones place and tens place 1. So it is 19. And then 800, 8 will come under 100. Okay, at 1000 place we have 5,000. So we will come 5 under 1000. At 10,000 we have 20. So at tens place we will write 2 as 20,000 is given. And then 100,000, 100,000 is 700,000. So we will write 7 here. So the number will become what? 725,000 and then 819. Now the part D is, numbers are given, we will write again ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, and then million. So under ones place we have 7, we will write 7 here. Tens place there is 300, no tens place, so tens place will become 0. And under 100 we will write 3 because 300 is given. 20,000, 20,000, again 1000 is missing, and 20, 10,000 will carry 2. Okay, and then it will become 9. Sorry, then it will become 100,000. 100,000, 1 will come here under 100,000 and millions for 9. So the number will become what? 9 million. Okay, 120,000. Okay, and 307. Okay, this is the number. Okay, part E is, again the numbers are given, so we have to join them. So we'll write here ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and then 100,000, and then million. So for ones place we have nothing, we will write 0 here. For tens place we have 60, we will write 6 here. For 100 place what we have? 3,500. So 100 place will be filled with 500. 5 will come here, and 1000 place is 3. So 1000 come here, and 10,000. Okay, 10,000. So we will write what? 10,000. And then 100,000, 800,000. So 8 will come at under 800,000, and million 6. So the number will become what? 6,813,560. Okay, so this is the solution of the last part of question number 5. We will start next worksheet in the next video.